Hey class, this is Dr. Willis logging in really quick for a week 2 update. I know it's Thursday. Sometimes these announcements will come on Wednesday. Sometimes they'll come on Thursday, but in between those areas. So I wanted to hop in really quick just to kind of talk about the discussion board from last week, some of the graded content, what you can do to adjust, and also give you a few reminders about this week. So related to last week, if you saw last night, you should have your grades in the grade book for your discussion board. So some of those were really good, some of those were not so good. So for the ones that were really good, keep it up. Just keep being thorough, detailed, responding to 2 peers in a thorough manner. Keep doing all those things. If your score was not where you wanted to be, it was probably one of a few reasons. Probably first, your initial post was not detailed enough. You probably didn't read the prompts all the way through, and you didn't, go into good detail and explain whenever you answer the question. So we have to work on explaining and telling why we feel a certain way. So that was the first reason, lack of detail. The second reason could have been because you simply did not respond to 2 peers. There was quite a few of those. So make sure you're responding to at least 2 separate peers. Remember, a response to me does not count, unfortunately. So make sure you're responding to 2 separate peers. Reason number 3, you may have had a great initial post. You may have responded to 2 peers, but your response was very, very brief and very, very bad. So we want to make sure that we have a thorough initial post and 2 thorough responses to 2 completely different peers, okay? Doing that will earn you a ton of points on the discussion board. So make sure you give that your full attention as we move forward. Now in week 2, we're talking about being an expert student. We have a discussion board assignment where you're going to talk about some areas that you might need to strengthen, and you're going to explain why and how you'll strengthen those areas. You're going to have a Learn Smart assignment that's accessible through our book, which is also online. So make sure you purchase that. And that those are only 2 assignments we have this week. So we want to make sure that we have our initial post in by tonight at 11:59 p.m. It's due tonight. You want to go ahead and start to respond to 2 peers, and you want to start that Learn Smart assignment. Now, responding in the Learn Smart is not due until Sunday, but that initial post is due tonight. Now, should you not submit that initial post tonight, you will still receive credit for it, but there will be a deduction in points. So make sure you get that in tonight. Make sure you're thorough. Make sure you detail. And also, whenever I respond to you, if I ask you a question about the post, it probably means it's not thorough enough. So go back, respond to me, and answer the question in the manner in which I asked you. So that'll earn you some more points as well. All right. If you have any questions, any concerns, please reach out. I'll respond to email. I'm actually going to log in and check it now. But yeah, if you have any questions, reach out. All right. Have a great week.